Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit video in Kinemaster. So you can edit a stunning videos here by editing it in Kinemaster. Here you can see this is the video that I added. So I'm going to add animated action stickers into this video. So here I'm going to add where he punch or do some punch like this, for example. Okay, let's go to the layer, find sticker, and in here you can click on this animated actions. So click on that and then choose the animated action stickers that you want. For example, I'm going to go with this. Okay, you can adjust the size and put it anywhere you like. Okay, I'm going to put in here to make it fit with the hand movement. Let's play or preview it first. Okay, so now I'm going to add another one when he punch again. Here I'm going to add here. You can go to layer again and choose the animated actions again. I'm going to use let's see this one. Okay, this one's right here. I'm going to put it in here. Let's preview it again to see if it's right. Okay, so this is the result. I'm going to trim it a little bit. Okay, the last one I'm going to put in here. Let's say I want to add this one. You can adjust the size and also the duration in here. I'm going to use this one again at the end. Okay, here. So you can just play and pause to make the right position. Okay, so this is the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.